Namaskar. Welcome to Navgrah Manthan. I am Suresh Kaushal here. I normally discuss on every issue related to astrology, dharma, Sanatan dharma, sanskar, and other things related to our ancient Hindu culture, Hinduism. Today, I am going to speak about a strange event which has taken place today. That is Sushant Singh Rajput, a famous Bollywood star, has committed suicide today. That is 14th of June 2020. Incidentally, he was born on 21st January 1986. So there is some astrological relevance if we discuss from the research point of view what triggered him to commit suicide, which is probably suicide because so far police has not said whether it is suicide or murder. The police is looking into every possible angle why it happened. So Sushant Singh Rajput's death, is it a coincidence or decisive destiny? Look at his various aspects as far as astrology is concerned. On his birthday and last day, moon was in aspect of Saturn, Shani. His moon was present. Probably he was born in Aquarius Lagna, Kumbha Lagna, as per Hindu system, where the Lord is Saturn. Now, what probably happened? On his birth date and last day, moon was in aspect of Saturn, Shani. Today, moon is in Pisces, in Revati Nakshatra, when he committed suicide. This nakshatra is related to his longevity and mind. He committed suicide. Today, moon was in Pisces, in aspect of Saturn. At birth time, also, his moon was in Taurus in aspect of Saturn, along with the Mars. So he was born in a very violent, depressed moon, and he died when the moon was very depressed. Mars, the star Mangala, probably triggered suicide, which probably triggered suicide, is aspecting Venus and Sun in both the dates, that is Mars in Tula, aspecting Venus and on his birth date, and Mars in Kumbha today, aspecting Venus and Sun in Vrishaba today. That means Mars, the major violet star, was aspecting his star Venus and Sun on the date of his birth. And same Mars is aspecting today also when he is dying. So Mars has been very violet star, perhaps it triggered his death. See, Sun is related to spiritual power, Atma. In Hindu system, it is Atma, it is Vishnu. Under aspect of Mars, it became very violent, forced him to probably commit suicide. Venus, the star of Bollywood, media, advertising, this was also under aspect of Saturn and Mars at birth time, and today in aspect of Mars. Because of Venus, probably was destined to be in Bollywood, to be an actor. So in both the dates, his birth time and his death date, Sun, star of spiritual power, star of Atma, star of willpower, was violent, triggered by Mars. This is not an accident. Probably it is a suicide triggered by Mars. Now Mercury, the star of his mind, is in aspect of Mars Rahu combined on his birth date, along with Saturn's aspect. And today also, when he is dying, his star is Mercury is in own sign, Gemini, that is Mithuna, with Rahu. So same combination is indirectly present today also. And of course, the major star, Jupiter, was debilitated, that is Nicha, in 1986 when he was born, and Nicha when he is dying. So it's all strange coincidences repeating at the date of birth and at the date of death. Sun ruling Atma and spiritual strength, father and willpower is the violent aspect of Mars on both the dates. Now very important, moon Karka, that means significator of mother, in astrology severely hit by Saturn on both the dates. He lost his mother when he needed her the most. just at the age of 16. On birth date, Moon was fairly hit by aspect of both Mars and Saturn. Probably that was the astrological reason when he lost his mother. Now you will be stunned to see certain things which are described in astrology happening in his own horoscope. Saturn of Mars and Saturn aspecting his moon and his mother star Venus resulted in early death of mother. In astrology, star which rules mother in any horoscope, the star which rules mother as well as moon, when they are hit by negative stars, invariably depression hits you, sleep is weak, lungs are weak, mental peace is not there. To buy a property later on in age when you are matured is very weak. To buy property is almost improbable. Mental insecurity is always there. Character build up, the main function of mother is missing. That's why children in orphanage, orphans in orphanage, lack all these things. Mental peace because there is no mother. There is no lack of mother. Lungs weak because nobody is going to look after younger children. Mental peace not there. Character building not there because mother is missing. A secure four walls made of secured environment of four walls where mother is there is missing in orphanage. So that's very important, and all these points are relevant in Sushant Singh Rajput's horoscope. All these aspects are very relevant with presence of mother. So look after your mother and God will look after all of you. That means we all should look after our mother. We look after our mother and God will look after us. Rest of our problems will be looked after by God. Lockdown probably presented just the right environment to trigger this unfortunate event. Similar star analogy was found on 16 December 2012, Nirbhaya rape date, and 20th March 2020, handy date of 4 convicts. All major stars on both these dates repeating. We will have another discussion in a different video about this. So, all of us who are having this problem of lockdown, insecurity, we are confined to 4 walls, to our house. Be brave, fight loneliness, choosing some hobby, devotion towards God, Surya Namaskar Yoga, ignore any material distractions. Since the lockdown is forced for your home to be converted into office, you go out, make outside your home, environment, everything around you, your home. Means कि घर को, यदि ऑफिस आपका घर बन गया तो बाहर को अपना घर बना लीजिए. Be close to nature, love nature. Once you are free from your home office, that means work from home, go out, visit nature, go for long walk, go for pranayam, go for yoga, devote some time to God, and lockdown will be nothing. He is not going to disturb you. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.